Welcome, savvy viewers. Today, we're delving into the habits that set apart the insanely wealthy from the rest. It's not just about luck or inheritance. It's about the habits they cultivate daily that pave the way for their success. Number 1. Mindset mastery. The cornerstone of the insanely wealthy isn't just about thinking positively. It's about shaping thoughts into powerful tools for success. The wealthy understand the influence of their mindset on their actions and outcomes. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, they view them as stepping stones to greater achievements. Challenges become opportunities for growth and learning. This shift in perspective enables them to navigate uncertainty with confidence and determination. Through self-education and continuous learning, they hone this mindset. They devour books, absorb knowledge, and apply it to their lives. These habits develop a mental resilience that allows them to adapt to changing circumstances, pivot in the face of adversity, and see setbacks as lessons rather than failures. This mindset extends beyond personal development. It infiltrates their business strategies. They innovate, take calculated risks, and believe in their abilities to create opportunities even in the most challenging situations. The belief that success is achievable through effort and perseverance drives their actions, transforming dreams into reality. Maintaining a growth-oriented mindset isn't just about thinking positively. It's about embracing discomfort, being comfortable with the unknown, and continuously evolving. The belief that challenges present opportunities keeps us moving forward, constantly pushing boundaries, and achieving what many might perceive as unattainable. In essence, mastering one's mindset is not a one-time accomplishment but an ongoing journey. It's the foundation upon which the insanely wealthy build their success, brick by brick, thought by thought. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. Embrace challenges, cultivate a growth-oriented perspective, and watch how it transforms your path towards success. Number 2. Health is wealth. Health is a priority for the insanely wealthy. They understand that to achieve their goals and sustain success, they need to invest in their well-being. It's not just about amassing wealth. It's about having the vitality and energy to enjoy it and make a meaningful impact. Exercise and proper nutrition aren't chores. They're integral parts of their daily routine. Regular physical activity not only keeps them fit but also sharpens their focus and enhances productivity. They invest time and resources in nourishing their bodies with balanced meals, understanding that food is fuel for both body and mind. Moreover, mental well-being is equally crucial. Mindfulness practices such as meditation, yoga, or simply taking moments for self-reflection are non-negotiable. These practices not only reduce stress but also foster clarity, creativity, and emotional resilience in the face of challenges. Health isn't just about the absence of illness. It's a holistic state of well-being encompassing physical, mental, and emotional health. The insanely wealthy understand that a healthy body and mind are the foundation for a successful and fulfilling life. By prioritizing their health, they not only improve their personal quality of life but also enhance their ability to make sound decisions and navigate the complexities of their endeavors. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset. By investing in it, you're not just securing a better quality of life but also fortifying yourself for the journey towards success. Number 3. Action-oriented. Action orientation is a defining trait of the insanely wealthy. It's not just about having a plan. It's about executing it. They understand that ideas without action remain merely dreams. Taking consistent, purposeful action is the key to turning aspirations into tangible achievements. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. The wealthy comprehend the value of setting priorities and taking immediate steps to accomplish them. They break down their goals into smaller, manageable tasks and tackle them one by one, consistently moving forward. The ability to take action is what differentiates dreamers from achievers. Even imperfect action is better than perfect inaction. The insanely wealthy understand that failures are part of the process and often serve as valuable lessons that further refine their path to success. Moreover, they recognize that momentum is crucial. By consistently taking action, they build momentum that propels them forward, creating a sense of accomplishment and motivation to keep pushing towards their goals. Adopting an action-oriented approach doesn't mean acting impulsively. It involves a strategic balance between planning and execution. They analyze, strategize, and then swiftly move into action, adapting and recalibrating as needed. Remember, dreams become reality only when action breathes life into them. Embrace action, no matter how small, and watch how it snowballs into substantial progress on your path to success. Number 4. Work-life balance. The concept of work-life balance might seem elusive in the pursuit of success, but the insanely wealthy understand its importance. While dedicated to their ambitions, they prioritize personal relationships and downtime, knowing that a well-rounded life contributes to their overall success. Maintaining work-life balance doesn't mean working fewer hours, but rather working efficiently and effectively within a set time frame. They compartmentalize their task, delegating where possible and ensuring that time spent working is focused and productive, allowing ample time for personal life. Balancing work and personal life isn't just about the hours spent. It's about being fully present wherever you are. When I'm at work, I'm fully engaged. And when I'm with my family or pursuing personal interests, I'm completely present there as well. By nurturing personal relationships and taking time for hobbies, relaxation, and self-care, they recharge and rejuvenate their minds. This rejuvenation boosts creativity, problem-solving abilities, and overall productivity when they return to work. Moreover, the insanely wealthy understand that life isn't just about work. They know the value of experiences, creating memories, and building relationships that extend beyond their professional accomplishments. Remember, success isn't solely measured by career achievements but also by the richness of life experiences. Balancing work and personal life allows for a more fulfilling and sustainable journey towards success. Number 5. Strategic networking. Strategic networking isn't just about collecting business cards or socializing for the sake of it. It's a deliberate and thoughtful approach to building connections that the insanely wealthy have mastered. They comprehend the significance of surrounding themselves with individuals who inspire, challenge, and elevate them. Networking isn't solely about what you know, but also about who you know. The wealthy are intentional in seeking out relationships that add value to their lives, both professionally and personally. They understand that their network is their net worth. By fostering connections with like-minded, successful individuals, they create an environment that fosters growth and opportunity. Furthermore, it's not just about what they can gain from a connection, but what they can offer as well. They approach networking with a mindset of mutual benefit, seeking ways to contribute and support others in their network. This creates a culture of reciprocity and trust, forming strong, lasting relationships. Strategic networking has been a cornerstone of my success. The people in my network challenge me, inspire me, and provide opportunities that I wouldn't have found on my own. It's not just about having connections. It's about nurturing those connections, adding value, and genuinely caring about the success of others in your network. The ability to curate relationships that align with your goals, values, and vision is a skill that the insanely wealthy prioritize. They know that the power of a strong network extends far beyond immediate gains. It's an investment in long-term success. Remember, strategic networking is about quality over quantity. Cultivate meaningful relationships and watch how it propels you towards success in ways you never imagined. Incorporating these habits into your life can pave the way for success. Remember, it's not just about wealth, but about creating a fulfilling and purposeful life.